What's up, family? I've told you some ways to get free gift cards, but I know some of the options that I've given in the past aren't necessarily the easiest options.
How convenient is that? Wow.
I heard you loud and clear. It's about to change today, because if you want easy free gift cards, then this video is for you. I'm going to give you a list of my favorite platforms that I use to earn a little bit of gift cards. Okay, a lot of bit of gift cards, but you're also going to want to watch this video all the way through. Why? Because I'm going to share with you the method that I use to get hundreds of dollars worth of gift cards every single month. So basically, I'm about to hit you with a bunch of free information that can earn you hundreds of dollars. But you know what you got to do? Hit that algorithm in the face and let YouTube know that you like free gift cards. And the way you do that is by hitting the thumbs up button. And also, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe and let me know in the comments that you did so I can shout you out and say, hey. But now that we got that out of the way, if you want free gift cards, try these. First up, SurveyPop. Not only does this app have gift cards, but they also have options to get paid cash. Let's take a look. We're going to dive right into this one with the SurveyPop app because I'm going to show you the gift cards first and foremost. Look at this. Amazon, Walmart, Target, Adidas, American Eagle. Listen, all these stores and restaurants are available in here. This is only the tip of the iceberg. I don't think we have enough time in the day to go through all these gift cards that are available in the SurveyPop app. Plus, what I love about it is you can get direct deposit to your bank account. Hold up. I know I mentioned bank transfers, and I know a lot of you get a little finicky with that. Like,
I'm not trying to give out my bank account numbers.
I got you. I'm about to give you an alternative to giving them your bank account information, and you can get $100 for doing it. It's called the Oxygen card. Oxygen is a free debit card that I personally use. This is not sponsored by them or anything, but the Oxygen app gives you the option of having a routing number and an account number so that you can get your money direct deposited into your Oxygen account, or you can fund it various other ways as well. This is my favorite thing about the Oxygen app. They have an option to generate a virtual card. So that way, if you're not comfortable giving out your card because you're shopping on a website that you're not familiar with, or you signed up for a free trial and you forget to cancel like I do, well, you can generate a temporary card and even put a limit on it to say, oh, you can only charge $1 on this card. So that way, after your free trial is up and they try to hit that card for a bunch of money, block. Now, I'm telling you about the Oxygen card because not only can you get your money direct deposited onto there, Oxygen gives new members $100 if they get a direct deposit put onto their brand new Oxygen card. They also give you rewards for your purchases. I'm telling you, it's better than a lot of credit cards that I know about. But you can find out more information about the Oxygen card down below. I'm gonna put the link there, and don't forget to get that direct deposit so you can get that extra $100, okay? Now back to the SurveyPop app. You know what gift cards are available, but you have to know how to earn them, right? So obviously you can do surveys to earn them. That's why it's called SurveyPop. But there are also videos that you can watch, games that you can play, and offers that you can do, such as downloading specific apps. And you can check in at physical places such as Walmart or maybe even a local restaurant to earn those gift cards. But don't believe me, you've got to check out SurveyPop yourself. I'm going to link it down below. And when you sign up, you help me help you, because I get a bonus and you get a bonus. We get bonuses together. But if you do like free gift cards, you need to be checking out my free gift Gift Cards Survival Guide, because in that guide, I tell you how to get gift cards faster and easier and which platforms pay the most. So definitely check out that guide. I'm gonna link it down below, and it'll save you time from having to go from video to video to video, trying to figure out which gift card options are gonna be best for you. It's all in this one guide. Okay, so if you like Survey Pop, you definitely wanna check out Eureka, because this app not only has gift cards, but cash and direct deposit right into your bank account. Check this, yo. I never realized this until today. The Survey Pop app and the Eureka app have the same layout. I wonder if they're owned by the same company. Can somebody do me a favor and look up to find out if Eureka and Survey Pop are owned by the same company? Drop it in the comments. I really want to know this. Again, the layout is pretty much the same. So if you've seen Survey Pop, you've seen Eureka, and you can do the surveys, you can watch videos, play games, do the offers. It's the same thing. So word to the wise, if you are successful on Survey Pop, do the same daggone thing over here on Eureka and get these gift cards. Speaking of the gift cards, they have them all. Target, Starbucks, Walmart, a bunch of the same ones that we just saw in the previous one. So they just made my editing a lot easier. Thank y'all. But what I really love about Eureka, and the same goes for Survey Pop, is that they will actually pay you the same day that you cash out, depending on what you get, like the direct deposit. Okay, don't expect that on the same day. Let's be realistic. But the gift cards, you can actually get those on the same day that you cash out. But go see it for yourself. Check out Eureka. I'm going to link it down below. Moving on to the next option is an app that I absolutely love. It's called Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars pays you real cash. So I opened up the Inbox Dollars app, and your girl has some money that I can cash out. But before I cash it out, I want you to see the options that are available. As you can see, look, CVS, Macy's, Kohl's, Sephora, Nike. Listen, they have a bunch of them, but y'all know me. I like gift cards, but if I can get the PayPal, I'm going to get the PayPal. Give me the cash, baby. Now I'm going to keep it real with y'all. I got so excited that I had some money in my Inbox Dollars account, I forgot to screen record it. But I had this older screen recording showing that I had $14.43. So I wanted you to see how the cash out process looks. But what you're going to see is me actually recently cashing out for $15 instead of the $10 that you see here. But I'm going to show you how to cash out. This is how you do it. So when you go in there, you choose the gift card that you want. Again, I'm choosing PayPal, and then you have to enter your Inbox Dollars password once again, and that will trigger them to send you the gift card. And I got my gift card in about 2 days. So, I mean, it wasn't a long wait, but they have a bunch of different options, including MasterCard gift cards as well, if you want to pay some bills or buy some extra groceries or have a little fun with the money. But you have to check out Inbox Dollars for yourself. I'm going to link it down below. Now, remember in the beginning, I promised you that I would let you know a way that you can earn gift cards without doing any surveys, without scanning any receipts, or without doing any offers. And this is by running your mouth, okay? Tell people about these apps. That's one of the ways that I actually earn outside of doing the surveys and things. Like, yeah, that's good, but I don't have time to always do surveys, or I don't have time to sit there and scan receipts all the time, especially when you're a shopaholic like me. There's so many daggone receipts that is hard to keep up with in the first place. So what I do is I tell people about these apps, and I let them know how they are actually working for me. When your friends and family sign up for these apps that you're telling them about, you get bonuses as well. Normally $1 to $3 for each sign up, and some platforms will even give you 10% of what your friend or family member earns for life. You want to talk about passive income? It's all in these apps, I'm telling you. So basically, thinking about other people and letting your friends and family know about these options can benefit you as well. And every app that I named in this video gives you the option to refer a friend. They have specific links that you can just blast out either on your Facebook page, send it through text, send it through email. Just don't go spamming people because that's annoying. But whatever you do, make sure you tell other people about it so that you can benefit. And speaking of benefiting, hopefully you benefited from this video, and I would love it if you let me know which of these apps is your favorite. Is it Survey Pop, Eureka, Inbox Dollars? Which one jumps out at you the most? Let's talk about it in the comments. And also, please don't forget to let me and the algorithm know that you like this type of content by hitting the thumbs up button. And also, please don't forget to subscribe, turning on notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. Now, if you're somebody that loves to shop on Amazon, did you know you can get a bunch of free stuff from Amazon? I'm talking about $0 balances when you shop. I do it all the time. If you want to know how, check out this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go.